Good day everyone, it's time for an update of what Tuesday's weather holds in store for you. Now overnight, moist air has continued to move in over parts of eastern South Africa, and it's been a cloudy start to the day for many areas, and along with this there's been some drizzle and fog, particularly along the eastern escarpment. Now this afternoon will be partly cloudy on the Highveld. There is a slight chance for thunderstorms in some areas, while over the western half of the country a sunny day is expected. With this increased sunshine for the Eastern Cape, a warmer day expected than what we had on Monday. Now let's take a look at your rainfall probabilities, and there's still a bit of light rain expected in places along that eastern escarpment and extending towards the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, but this area will be clearing out and we're expecting no further rainfall by the mid to late afternoon hours. Thunderstorms on the other hand will be developing in places from the northwest province into Limpopo, Gauteng as well as the Highveld areas of Mpumalanga. No rain in the forecast for the Free State as well as the Cape provinces. Maximum temperatures for this afternoon still remaining cool for some areas over the eastern high ground, because it's going to be quite cloudy over that region even into this afternoon. 24 degrees for Polokwane, and we're seeing similar temperatures along the southern coastline of the country, but over the western interior it's going to be a hot afternoon. 32 degrees for Vredendal as well as for Springbok. Cape Town will be pleasantly warm at 24. Now along the west coast of South Africa, we're expecting southerly winds to dominate across this area, becoming moderate to fresh in the afternoon around Alexander Bay and Namaqualand. Swells in the open ocean averaging at about 2 meters and coming in with a southwesterly direction. We're expecting southerly to southeasterly winds around the Cape Peninsula, moderate at 25 kilometers per hour. Not much change regarding swells across this area, waves breaking with an average height of about 2 to 3 feet. Now along the south coast, light winds for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, mainly sunny over this area. It's going to be a lovely day. Moderate wind speeds developing for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, where you can expect winds to become gusty later on. And finally, along the east coast of South Africa, we're expecting fairly windy conditions for the Wild Coast and East London. Strong northeasterlies at 40 kilometers per hour. Not quite so bad for both Durban and Richards Bay. Not forgetting that there is a small chance for rain at first for both of those KwaZulu-Natal cities. Swells across this area, on the other hand, averaging at 1.5 meters out in the open ocean.
News that moves. eNCA.com.